Today, we celebrate not only the 50th anniversary of the National Crop Protection Center, but also 5 decades of service to the Filipino people through science, innovation, and public service.
Naway patuloy na manguna ang sentro sa paglikha ng kaalaman, pagpapaugnad ng teknolohiya at pagpupog sa mga susunod pang mga mananaliksik at dalubhasa na tutulong sa pagsiguro ng ating kinabukasan.
Bawat mananaliksik, administrative staff, directors, sa mga nagdaang directors, mga scientists, researchers po ng National Crop Protection Center. Maraming salamat sa napakalaking ambag po ninyo upang maitaguyod ang National Crop Protection Center. At marating po nito ang 50 years na pagpapahalaga sa ating mga magsasaka.
We owe much of this success to the visionary leadership and outstanding contributions of Dr. Fernando F. Sanchez Sr., the founding director of the center, a true pillar in the field of crop protection. So in honor of Dr. Sanchez's remarkable legacy, aside from renaming the NCPC main building after him, we are pleased to announce the reopening of the NCPC Reading Room, now dedicated as a living repository of his contributions to crop protection. So this space will serve as a center of learning and inspiration, housing valuable references, research materials, and historical records that chronicle the evolution of crop protection in the country.
Thank you very much for this honor given to my father. He would be, I think, smiling with my mom today, looking down. All of you here together as one NCPC.